Yeah, good morning, all of you. Charanya, good morning. Yeah, good morning, all of you. Very good morning. Hi, happy Sunday. Sunday with permutation combinations. Okay, just we need to wait 1 more minute, then we'll start the chapter permutations and combinations. Just 1 minute. We'll wait for others. Very, very good morning. Yes. Is it audible, my voice? Can you say yes? Audible? Sir, do 12th maths. So 12th maths, which chapter you want? Just you type here. Kokila, good morning. Dakshani SP. Okay, thank you. Dakshani. Hamsa, yes. Okay, thank you. Hi, sir. Anushka, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. Fine, fine. So, yeah. Shall we start? Yeah. Yes, I'll start the session now. So the chapter name is permutations and combinations. This is theory oriented, theory related chapter. But if you know the chapter in divisions, then the topic is very, very easy. Otherwise, you people will feel as difficult. Okay, what are the divisions here in this chapter means? So permutation combinations, we are going to divide into four parts. The part number one is fundamental principle of counting. What's the first topic? Fundamental principle of counting. Please come along with your textbooks. Okay. So I will tell the question numbers in the textbook sometimes. So that's what you can able to see very clearly. Fundamental principle of counting, or else one more name is there, that is mathematical multiplication rule. Sorry, multiplication rule. Fundamental principle of counting, or else multiplication rule is topic number one. Coming to topic number two, you are going to learn notations. Which notations you know? Factorial notations. Factorial notations. Factorial notations we need to discuss. Then coming to third one is permutations will enter. Permutations. Then finally we are going to end with the chapter with combinations. So these are the topics: fundamental principle of counting or multiplication rule, factorial notations, permutation combinations, combinations, permutations and combinations. So fundamental principle of counting. Only on the definition of fundamental principle of counting, complete one exercise is given in your textbook. Only one definition. If you understood the definition carefully, the complete exercise you can able to do your own. Okay, so now I'm going to discuss about fundamental principle of counting. with one example. One example. For example, so let it be considered. For example, so in your hand there are four pants you have, four pants, and three shirts you have, four pants and three shirts. I told that you let us prepare one dress, like dresses. Let us prepare dresses. I told. So then, what you people will do? So pant one and shirt one combination is one dress. Pant two and again the same shirt S1 second dress, third pant and the same shirt, third dress, and fourth pant and same shirt, fourth dress. Like P1S1, P2S2, P3S3, P4S4. You are going to create four dresses. Like with P1 S2, P2 S2, P3 S2, S2, and P4 S2 also you can create. That is another four. Then coming to next with P1 S3, P2 S3, P3 S3 and P4 S3. So this is also 4 ways. So total how many pairs you created? Total 12 dresses you created by using 4 pants and 3 shirts. So only by using 4 pants, 3 shirts, you are forming 12 dresses. So the same rule here we are adding 4 plus 4 plus 4. Instead of this, by using fundamental principle of counting, the sum, the calculation will be very, very easy. What is this calculation, you know? So, total number of pants, how many are there? 4. Total number of shirts, how many are there? 3. So, 4 into 3, how much? 12. 12 dresses you are getting. So, instead of adding like this, we are going to do multiplying like this. So 4 pants, how many number of pants are there? That count. How many number of shirts are there? That count. If you multiply these two, then you are going to get a 12 dresses. That's what we are going to call as a multiplication rule also. So what is the, finally, what is the definition? What is the definition of fundamental principle of counting, Andrea? So an event occur in m different ways. M different ways. And another event occur in n different ways. N different ways. Then the total number of occurrence is m into n ways. This is the definition. So very, very simple definition. Based on this only the definition, complete exercise is based. So let us try to understand carefully. One event occurring m different ways, and one more event occurring some n different ways. Whenever m different ways, n different ways are there, the total number of occurrence is m into n ways. This is what fundamental principle of counting or else multiplication rule. So this is the definition. Based on this definition, how we are going to evaluate the sums, we'll discuss one by one. Look at carefully. Yeah, look at in your textbook you have a question. So let us take question number, page number 102, example 1. If you take page number 102, example 1. So the question is, find the number of 4 letters word with or without meaning which can be formed out of the letters of the word ROSE rows where the repetition of the letters is not allowed. So they are given as word as ROSE rows. ROSE rows. They are asking you, So find the number of 4-letter words. How many number of 4-letter words we can able to prepare? And moreover, they mention with or without meaning. So meaningless also not a problem. For example, SEOR, there is no meaning, no problem. REOS, there is no meaning, no problem. So with or without meaning, there is not a problem. So by that letter, using the word ROSE, so this 4 letters word, how many number of how many number of letters we can able to prepare, they're asking. So by using fundamental principle of counting, we are going to simplify this question very easily. And moreover, the condition is given without repetition. Without repetition, you are not supposed to get 2 times R. With 2 times R, 2 times O, this kind of cases not allowed. Triple R, O, not allowed. Double S, double O, not allowed. So not even single letter also repeated more than once. So then how we can able to solve this kind of sums means, so they're asking 4 letters word, let it be considered 4 boxes. Let it be considered 4 boxes. So box 1, box 2, box 3, box 4. So 4 letters word with or without meaning you are going to create means, in the box number 1 you are going to fill from ROSE containing R, O, S, E. From 4 letters, you can able to fix any letter here. Means, so the way is, total number of ways is 4 ways. If 4 ways, what are they? Either R can fix, or else S can fix, or else O can fix, or else U can fix. E can fix. So anything you can fix here. So how many ways to fill this one means, there are 4 ways to fill this box. And similarly, so how many ways to fill this box? So if you want to fill this box means you need to check the condition with repetition or without repetition. So in the question given, without repetition given. So repetition is not allowed. For example, if you fix R here, R never be here. That's what R you cancel and remaining 3 letters only we can able to fix. For example, if you fix S, don't repeat S in this box, so you can be able to fix, either R or O or E here. For example, you fix here E, then don't repeat here E, you can able to fix with the R or S or O, like only 3 possibilities only will be there. And what about the third box to fill means, already this is either R and S is fixed, for example here, then only 2 chances to fill this box. Similarly, only 1 chance is there to fill this box. So then what is this meaning here? According to our fundamental principle of counting, what it tells so then an event occur in 4 different ways, second event occur in 3 different ways, third event occur in 2 different ways, and fourth event occur in only 1 different way. Then the total number of occurrence you want means, just you need to multiply all the values, then you will be getting the final answer. 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 2, 24 ways to fill this boxes. This is what the question. For example, in this question only, let us consider, instead of considering without repetition, if it is with repetition, what possibilities are there? With repetition, what possibilities are there? Let us check. For example, if the repetitions are allowed means this kind of cases also we are going to consider. Double S case, double O case, S repeated all 4 times, or else R repeated 4 times, or else E repeated 3 times and S repeated only 1 time. This kind of cases. So all with the repetitions, if you consider, the box 1 can be filled in how many number of ways means, there are 4 ways. That is what, either R or S or O or E. Then what about the second box to fill means, the second box also you can able to fill in 4 different ways. Why? Because repetitions are allowed. For example, yes, you fixed here, yes also can able to take here. That's what the second box also you can able to fill in 4 different ways. Then coming to the third one is also 4 different ways. Then the fourth one is also 4 different ways. Then according to fundamental principle of counting, the total number of occurrences is 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, that is equals to 4 power 4. That is your final answer, friends. So this is what the fundamental principle of counting. Few more sums if I discuss. discuss, then you people will understand very nicely. Let us move to the second question. So the page number 102, question number 2, example number 2, look at that. So page number 103, page number 103, question number 2. So coming to second question, give 4 flags of different colors. 4 flags given of different colors. 4 flags of different colors. How many different signals can be generated if a signal requires the use of 2 flags, one below the other? One below the other means this is the case. Signals will be like this only always. So one below the other will be there. So there are 4 flags you have. So you are going to create how many signals? 2 flags you are going to create. 2 flags. 2 flags signal you are going to create. So how many number of ways to fill this box? Means the total number of flags are 4. That's what this box you can able to fill with 4 ways. This box you can able to fill with 4 ways. Then what about this box you are going to fill? What about this box you are going to fill means, so this box if you want to fill, then you need to check the case is with repetition or without repetition. With repetition or without repetition. So in the question they mentioned very clearly, so different signals given. So this is what given, different signals. Different signals means obviously without repetition only. Without repetition means, for example, if this flag is fixed with some red color, this is not with red color, like that. So automatically 4 flags, 4 colors are there. So this is the box you are going to fill with 4 different ways, and the second one you are going to fill with 3 different ways. Automatically, according to fundamental principle of counting, the total number of ways are 12 ways. The total number of ways are 12 ways. This is what fundamental principle of counting is saying. For example, let us move to next question. How many 2-digit even numbers can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Then if the digits can be repeated. So what they're asking, 2-digit even number they're asking. So 2 boxes you are going to create. 2-digit even number. Keep remember, only even number you want. And how many digits given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 digits given. And and what it is given, if the digits can repeated is allowed. Repeated is allowed. So even means that is nothing but a double to 22 is a even number. You can able to take both the numbers are same. Repetition allowed. So repetition not allowed means this kind of digits we are not going to consider. So next, what it is this? So this is what units place, this is what tens place. In the units place, how many ways to fill the box? That is most important. Whenever even number case they're asking, compulsory you need to fill with the units place first. So a number is said to be even number means what is the condition? Compulsory units place should be even number. Units place must be even number. Then only the number you are going to tell as even number. So even number you are going to consider, and how many numbers are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this, how many even numbers are there? 2 is the even number, 4 is the even number. There are 2 even numbers given. So 2 even numbers means this box can be filled in 2 different ways. This box can be filled in 2 different ways. So one is either 2 you can fill, or else you can able to fill by 4. 2 different ways. Either 2 you can fill, or else 4 you can fill. So then what about this box to fill? So means, for example, if you fill 2, you can able to take 2 also here. Why? Because repetitions are allowed. That's what total number of digits, how many are there? 5. That's what you can able to fill this box with 5 different ways. So that's what according to fundamental principle of counting, the total number of occurrence is 5 into 2 is equals to 10 is your answer, friends. 10 is your answer. So units place you are going to fill with 2 ways only. Why? Because they're asking even number. Total number of even numbers are 2, 4. There are 2 even numbers are there. The possibility to fill the units place is either 2 or else 4. That is what 2 ways. And the total number of ways to fill the tens place is 5 ways. Why? Because repetitions allowed. That's what 5 different ways. 5 into 2 is equals to 10. So this is the way to simplify this, isn't it? Next, coming to next, the fourth question is find the number of different signals that can be generated by arranging at least 2 flags in order on a vertical staff if 5 different flags are available. This is a question bit dangerous. Why? Because in the question they mentioned at least 2 flags. So at least 2 flags means you're going to consider 2 flags case, 3 flags case, 4 flags case, and maximum number of flags given is 5. So 5 flags case also you are going to consider. So all 4 cases you are going to consider. So then you can able to evaluate the sum. I'll repeat the sum once again. So find the number of different signals that can be generated, arranging at least 2 flags. At least 2 flags in order that 5 different colors are available. 5 different colors are available. 5 different colors are available. So at least means what are the cases you are going to consider? At least 2 flags required. Means you are going to take 2 flags case, 3 flags case, 4 flags case, and the maximum number of different colors 5 flags case also you are going to read. So 2 flags case means so you are going to create 2 boxes. 3 flags case means you are going to create 3 boxes. 4 flags case means you are going to create 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. 5 flags case means you are going to create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 ways to fill this box. One second. So 5 flags is power cut because of power cut. Okay. Anyways. So now 2 flags case I'm going to discuss. 2 flags means we drawn 2 vertical horizontal lines. This is what this box can be filled in. How many total number of colors are 5 flags? So 5 ways, and this is what 4 ways. Then this can be written as 5 into 4 is equals to 20 ways to fill these 2. Then coming to next, so this 3 cases. So 3 flags cases. This box can be filled in 5 different colors. This is what 4 different colors. This is 3 different colors. Why? Because we are not supposed to take repetitions allowed case. We are going to take repetitions are not allowed. Why? Because 2 different colors we are going to generate. Then this is nothing but 5 into 4 into 3 is equals to, so this is what 60 ways. Then coming to next, this box 5 ways, this box 4 ways, this is 3 ways, this is 2 ways. Then 60 into 2 is nothing but 120 is your answer. Then what about next? This is 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. The total number of cases are 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That is equals to 120 ways. So if you add all the cases, then you are going to get 240, 320. Total number of cases are ways are 320 ways, friends. This is a case which is the most important. Whenever they are asking, at least you are going to consider from two flags to all the cases we are going to consider. This is what the question, friends. So if you see in examples, few important questions also there. So according to this, so I'm going to discuss one more question here. The question is given like how many five digit question number 4 from exercise page number 104. So how many 5 digit telephone numbers? 5 digit telephone number. So you are going to write 5 digit telephone number can be constructed using 0 to 9. You are going to create telephone number by using 0 to 9. So total number of digits, how many given? 1 to 9 means 9. 0 is also added. Total 10 digits. Total 10 digits given. Okay. If each number starts with 64, you are going to create 5 digit number. Each number starts with 67 given. So 67. So first box compulsory 6. Second box compulsory 7. Then how many boxes you are going to fill still? 3 more boxes. Why? Because you are going to create 5 digit telephone number. In that 5 digit number, they mentioned already 2 digit. So 6 and 7. Now you are going to fill this box, and this box. With repetitions or without repetitions, we need to check. And no digit appears more than once. No digit will not appear more than once. For example, so 5, it won't come 2 times, 2 won't come 2 times, like that. So it won't be repeated more than once any digit. If you observe carefully, this is what 6 given, even 6 also should not repeat. 7 given, 7 also should not repeat. So out of 10 digits, you are going to remove these 2 digits. So how many you are going to fill with? 8 digits only. Other than 6 and 7, you are going to fill these 3 digits. So this box can be filled in. So total number of ways, 8 ways, 8 different ways other than 6 and 7. Other than 6 and 7 you can fill. And coming to next, this box without repetition is mandatory. That's what this box can be filled in 6, 7 except, and whatever letter you fixed here, that one also except. Then except these 3 letters means 7 ways to fill this box and 6 ways to fill this box also. According to fundamental principle of counting, the total number of occurrence is nothing but a multiplication of that calculation. So this is the very easiest exercise if you understood the definition of fundamental principle of counting. So friends, I want to discuss one more question in this. So they're given how many 3-digit even numbers can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 if the digits can be repeated. I hope you can able to do very easily. How many 3-digit even numbers they're asking? 3-digit even numbers means you are going to create 3 boxes. 3 boxes. First box compulsory should be an even number. How many digits given from here? They are given as 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are given as 6 digits given. From the 6 digits, you are going to create 3 digits even number, and digits can be repeated also given. So you can repeat the numbers also. Then what we are going to do here means this units place compulsory you are going to fix with even number only. Why? Because you are going to create 3-digit even number. That's what. So how many even numbers are there? 2, 4 and 6. The total number of even numbers are 3. Then coming to next, this box can be filled in how many number of ways? Means repetitions allowed given. That's what this box can be filled in 6 ways, and this box is also filled in 6 ways. 6 into 6 into 3, that is equals to whatever answer you are getting, that is your final answer, friends. So the complete exercise will be like that only. So it's so depends on fundamental principle of counting. So this exercise can able to do very easily. So this is what the first exercise which is related to the small definition, which is fundamental principle of counting. Now I will discuss about some notations. Some notations I'm going to discuss. The notations are, so the second topic which I am discussing in this, the second topic is so factorial notations. If you know this factorial notations, it helps a lot for to solving permutations and combination problems. So what are the factorial notations? Look at carefully. factorial notations. So in this factorial notations, we are going to write for n factorial. N factorial can be written as you are going to write n into n minus 1 factorial. N factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial. Of course, this n into n minus 1 factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial also. Isn't it, friends? Then n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial also can be written as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 factorial also. What is this meaning, you know? So you can able to stop wherever you want, you can able to stop there on. So where you want, you can able to stop. For example, this one, I'm going to write n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into n minus 4 into n minus 5 into, you can stop here at n minus 6 factorial also. So like until unless which number it will go means n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into so on. The least value is it will stop at 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. It will stop at last digit is 1. So through example, if I discuss, you will be understanding somewhat better than this. For example, 10 factorial in your hands. 10 factorial in your hands means 10 factorial can be written as 10 into 9 factorial. 10 factorial can be written as 10 into 9 factorial. Then this 10 factorial can be written as 10 into 9 into 8 factorial also. 10 into 9 into 8 factorial also. So then this can be written as 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial also. Like if I want 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial, you can stop here also. Until unless, so where it will stop, you know, 9 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This calculation can written like this. Based on this concept, the questions will be they're asking very interesting question. Is 5 factorial is equals to 3 factorial plus 2 factorial? They're going to ask such kind of questions. Is 5 factorial is equals to 3 factorial plus 2 factorial? Usually student common sense, what they will do, you know, they're trying to take factorial as common. So factorial as common, factorial as common, 3 plus 2 into factorial, this is equals to 5 factorial, 5 factorial, 5 factorial, same. This concept is completely wrong. We cannot able to take factorial as common. That kind of concepts, not at all there. So 5 factorial can be written as, so what means 5 factorial is equals to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 5 4s are 20, 20 into 3. 60, 60 into 2, 120 is the answer. What about RHS? 3 factorial plus 2 factorial. 3 factorial can be written as, according to this, 3 into 2 into 1 plus 2 factorial can be written as 2 into 1. So 3 2s are 6 plus 2 1s are 2. 6 plus 2 is equals to 8. Is 180, 120 and 8 both are same. So 120 which is not equals to 8. So whenever 120 not is equals to 8, of course 5 factorial is also not equals to 3 factorial plus 2 factorial. This kind of questions you need to discuss like this, like LHS and RHS. And the factorial based questions they'll ask very clearly like this. 10 factorial way, something like that they're going to ask 8 factorial. What about this result? So based on the notations, we can able to simplify. This 10 factorial can be written as simple as possible. Up to 8 factorial you are going to write. 10 into 9 into, this can be written as, you can stop at 8 factorial whole by 8 factorial. 8 factorial get cancelled. Then 10 into 9 is equals to 90 is your answer. 90 is your answer. So like similarly, they're going to ask 10 factorial minus 8 factorial is the question. 10 factorial minus 8 factorial is the question. So 10 factorial can be written as 10 into 9 into 8 factorial minus 8 factorial. Then just you take 8 factorial as common. Then 10 into 9, 90. 90. 8 factorial is common means minus 1. The final answer is 90 minus 1 is nothing but 89 into 8 factorial. This is what your answer is. So now these kind of questions are very easy to evaluate by using factorial notations. By using factorial notations. I will discuss few more questions. Look at carefully. Okay. Now, in this area, the most important question is this one. For usually they are going to ask for 3 marks. The question is, if 1 by 8 factorial plus 1 by 9 factorial is equals to x by 10 factorial, find x. Find x. This is the most important question. This is page number 106, example number 8. Page number 106, example 8. I'm discussing. So, this kind of questions are very easy actually. So, here if you observe in the denominator 8 factorial, 9 factorial, 10 factorial is there. 8 factorial, 9 factorial, 10 factorial is there. So, 8 factorial, 9 factorial, 10 factorial, like that, more than one factorial is there means your logic is which is the highest factorial, which is the least factorial, you cross check. So, highest factorial is 10 factorial, least factorial is 8 factorial. So, what we are going to do means highest factorial, let us convert into least factorial. And the next highest factorial is also convert into least factorial. Means least factorial don't disturb. So, let us write down 8 factorial is as usual plus 1 by 9 factorial can be written as 9 into 8 factorial is equals to x by 10 factorial can be written as 10 into 9 into 8 factorial. Then what to do? You are going to take 1 by 8 factorial as common from the left hand side. If you take 1 by 8 factorial is common, you are getting 1 here plus 1 by 1 by 8 factorial common means the denominator is 9 is equals to x by 10 into 9 into 8 factorial. 8 factorial and 8 factorial get cancelled. So 9 ones are 9 plus 1. It is nothing but 10 by 9 is equals to x by 10 into 9. 9 and 9 get cancelled, then x is equals to what is the answer? 100. 100 is your answer, friends. So, very easy to simplify this kind of questions. So, by using factorial notations. And one more model they are going to ask usually, that is what for 1 mark or 2 marks, evaluate n factorial. Exercise question this is by n minus r factorial. Where if n is equals to 6, r is equals to 2. These kind of sums are very easy. N factorial by n minus r factorial can be written as n is nothing but 6 factorial by n minus r 6 minus 2 factorial. This can be written as 6 factorial by 6 minus 2 is nothing but 4 factorial. Now the simplification is 6 into 5 into 4 factorial by 4 factorial. 4 factorial cancel. 5 6 so 30. So this is what the answer. So they are going to give separately the values of n and r, then accordingly you are going to simplify. This is the notation about factorial, which is the easiest concept, friends. Now I am going to discuss about permutations and combinations, the third topic. So first permutations, then followed by combinations. But I will explain the concept together at once only. So permutations and combinations, both I will discuss, and the difference also I will discuss. Look at carefully, friends. Now, permutations. combinations, difference between permutations and combinations. So both the concepts need to learn at a time, and the difference between permutations and combinations also need to learn at a time. So this is a very interesting topic. So listen carefully. This is the third topic as well as this is fourth topic. Okay. So what is the permutation? What is the combination? Permutation means the thing is arrangement of things. Arrangement of things. Arrangement of things means so we are going to arrange in a bench. 3 members we are arranging in a bench in a horizontal way, in a vertical way. Like arrangement, if you are arranging the things, that is nothing but permutation. So combination means the selection of things. You are going to select from group of people certain kind of people. For example, one co-education class is there, boys and girls together. So we are selecting from boys and girls collection of boys. We are selecting few people. So, for example, one competition is going on. So, the interested students in the chess, or else interested students we are going to select for the cricket to prepare a cricket team. Like we are selecting few members, that is nothing but combination. So, that's what combination definition is: a selection of things. Try to understand carefully. So this is arrangement of things. This is selection of things. This is picking something from the group. That is selection. We are selecting something from something. So that is what combination. Arrangement is permutation. Selection is combination. Just you remember that one. And permutation, we are going to use the notation with NPR. Combination, we are going to use the notation NCR. NPR means the formula is n factorial by n minus r factorial. The formula for NPR is what? N factorial by n minus r factorial. The formula for combination is NCR. It is nothing but NCR is nothing but n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. NCR is nothing but what? N factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Now, through examples, I will explain what is permutation, what is combination very clearly. So let us look at carefully. Example. For example, I am going to give 3 books to you. 3 books. Book 1, book 2, book 3. There are 3 books. I told that you arrange all the 3 books in a shelf. Arrange all the 3 books in a shelf. Means what is your choice? What are the maximum possible choice to arrange all the 3 books in the shelf? What are the possible choice to arrange in a shelf all the 3 books? So you can able to arrange like book 1, book 2, book 3 combination. Of course, book 1, book 2, then book 3. Like that you can arrange. First book 1, next second book, next third book. You can able to arrange in such way. Or else, what are the possible ways? The other way is first book 1, next book 3, next book 2. This possibility also there. Book 1, next third book, next second book. Then what are the other cases? Book 2, book 1, book 3. Or else book 2, book 3, book 1. This possibility is also there. Or else first book, third book, then second book, then first book. Or else third book, first book, and second book. Like all these are possibilities to fix in a shelf the given 3 books. Yes or no? Yeah. So is there any other possibility? All the possibilities written. First books 1 fixed, 2, 3, 3, 2 case. Book 2 if you fix 1, 3, 3, 1 case. Book 3 if you fix 2, 1, 1, 2 case also. So the total number of arrangements are, how many? 6 arrangements. There are 6 arrangements. Now what about through formula? Whether through formula is it possible or not? So look at carefully. So total number of books how many? 3. How many books we are trying to arrange? All the 3 books. So n equal to 3, r is also 3. So NPR means 3P3. 3P3 means what we are going to write according to formula 3 factorial by 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 factorial. So 3 factorial by 3 minus 3 is 0 factorial. 3 factorial is nothing but 3 into 2 into 1. 0 factorial is nothing but not 0. It is 1. So 3 into 2 into 1 is equals to 6. 6 by 1 equal to 6. So if you observe carefully, by logic it is a 6 ways, and by the formula approach also 6 ways only. Both are 6 ways only. So this is what by general approach. This is what by formula approach. You are getting the same. This is one example for permutation. For example, the example for combination. So example for combination, let us consider the openers in the cricket team. For example, you are going to select openers from the cricket team. Generally in the cricket team, openers means we are going to call like, for example, I am going to call like Virat Kohli, okay, or Rohit Sharma, or else let it be considered your favorite Dhoni. Okay, so I am going to consider these three. So Virat Kohli, Dhoni, and Rohit Sharma. So from these three members, we are going to select openers. Openers under how many you are going to select? 2 members. So I gave 3 members. We had a confusion on 3 members. In the 3 members, 2 members I am going to select. That is what my question. So then, what combination we are going to select? How we are going to select out of 3 members? Any 2 members only. So the combinations first, if you write Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, you will take one possibility, or else Rohit Sharma, Dhoni you will take second possibility, or else Virat Kohli, Dhoni you will take one more combination. Either these 2 openers, or else these 2 openers, or else these 2 are openers. So once Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, if you say, you are not supposed to tell again Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli combination one more. So in this case, those 2 possibilities we are considering as one only. That is only combination speciality. So Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, it is nothing but one case only. In the same way, Rohit and Dhoni, Dhoni and Rohit also. Also Virat and Dhoni and Dhoni and Virat also. So then this is what, how many number of ways? 3 ways. This is 3 ways. Coming to next, by formula approach, whether it is correct or wrong. So if you see total number of people, how many are there? 3 members. N equal to how much? 3. R equal to how many numbers we are going to arrange? Openers means only 2 members we are going to use. So R is nothing but 2. Then NCR means 3C2 can be written as 3 factorial by, according to formula, R factorial, R under 2 factorial, into N minus R, 3 minus 2 factorial can be written as 3 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 minus 2, 1. 1 factorial is nothing but 1. So 3 factorial can be written as 3 into 2 factorial, up to this small I am writing, 2 factorial into 1. 2 factorial cancel. Answer is what? Only 3 number of ways. You are getting 3 ways only. If you observe carefully both the cases. So through example, through definition. So this is generalized case. This is through definition we are solving. So the total number of ways, 3 ways only. So what is the thing here? Here we are considering both the cases. So we are considering B1, B2, B3 we considered, B1, B3, B2 case also we considered. Two different cases we considered, but whereas here Virat, Rohit, Rohit, Virat, so single case only we considered. This is what combination. So combination calculation will be like this. Now what is the difference between permutations and combination? So with respect to one example, I will tell the difference between permutations and combination. For example, you have 4 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I am instructing you, you create a 2-digit number. What I told you? 2-digit number. 2-digit number you are going to create means what we are going to do, you know. So we are going to create 2-digit number and you can able to take. Repetitions are not allowed. So 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 4. Understanding? 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, then 3, 4. Then you can able to write ulta also. 2, 1, 1, 2 different to 2, 1 different. 12 different to 21 different. Like 3, 1, 4, 1, 3, 2, this ulta. 4, 2, 4, 3. Also you can able to get. This is nothing but permutations. This is nothing but permutation. This is nothing but permutation. Then what about combination? Then what about combination? So combination means, okay, so combination means ಈ 1 2 case 2 1 case together consider as single way only. So 1 3 3 1 you are going to take any one case only. 1 4 4 1 one case. 2 3 3 2 2 4 4 2 3 4 4 3. You are going to consider these two cases together only one case. That is nothing but any one of the case is nothing but combination. This is combination. So this total is permutation, then this is combination. So then permutation means we are using how many? What is N? 4 digits. What is R? How many number of digits you are using? 2. Then permutation formula NPR. So 4P2 can be written as 4 factorial by, according to definition, 4 minus 2 factorial. If you calculate 4 factorial by 4 minus 2 is 2 factorial, and hence 4 into 3 into 2 factorial by 2 factorial. 2 factorial get cancelled. 4 3s are how much? 12. 12 ways you are getting. Did you observe how many cases you are getting for permutation here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 12 cases only. 12 cases only. Now let us come to combination. Let us come to combination. In the combination, n is equals to 4, because 4 letters, r is equals to 2. We are choosing 2 letters. According to combination, we are getting how many cases? 6 cases you are getting. We'll see according to formula how many we will get it. So the formula is NCR. NCR means 4C2. Can be written as 4 factorial by 2 factorial into 4 minus 2 factorial. This is nothing but 4 into 3 into 2 factorial by 2 factorial into 4 minus 2 factorial 2 into 1. 1 2 factorial will be cancelled. 1 2 2s are cancelled. 3 2s are 6. How many ways you are getting? 6 only you are getting. So this is the definition. So this is the difference between permutation and combination also. So once you copy. So now I'm going to discuss problems on permutations and combinations. So how to evaluate sums in permutations as well as in combinations we'll discuss. Look at carefully. So now this kind of sums they'll ask for 3 marks. That is, find the value of n. Find n. They're given as np5 is equals to 42 times of np3 n greater than 4. This is the question. So np5 equal to 42 times of np3 they're given. So what is the value of n? Find the value of n is question. So np5 equal to 42 times of np3 is given. You are going to consider n greater than 4 case. So np5 is according to definition npr is equals to formula n factorial by n minus r factorial. Right? So this can be written as n factorial by n minus 5 factorial is equals to 42 times of np3 is also can be written as n factorial by n minus 3 factorial. N factorial get cancelled. Then let's go for cross multiplication. N minus 3 factorial is equals to 42 times of n minus 5 factorial cross multiplication. Then you are going to convert into factorial. So which is highest, which is least, you have to know. So in the previous question we discussed. You get now? Is it clear now? Board is clear. So clear this question. NP5 equal to 42 into NP3 according to formula, then simplification, multiplication, factorization, then finally you are getting the answer. Is it clear now, board? So few people are sending that network issue. Is it clear? Game is not over. Charan. Okay, I'll continue. Let's look at few more important questions are there. Look at carefully. Now the question is given like, so how, find the number of permutations of the letter of the word Allahabad. They given as Allahabad. So they're asking find the number of permutations of the letter. So whenever they're asking permutation for the given particular word, so just you check how many number of letters are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 letters. So 9 letters can be arranged in 9 factorial ways, not yet completed by. So look at carefully in this word containing repetitions are there or not. How many number of repetitions are there means L repeated 2 times, A repeated 3 times, 1, 2, 3. L repeated 2 times, 1, 2. So sorry, A repeated 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. So then L repeated 2 times and H is not repeated, B not repeated, D not repeated. That's what A repeated 4 times by 4 factorial into L repeated 2 times by 2 factorial. If you simplify, you will get the answer. So this kind of questions, evaluation is very easy. The total number of word, the number of word containing how many letters you check it, that factorial by repetitions write down in the denominator. According to formula we are applying. So this is what permutation counting for given a word. Isn't it? Then the question is given one more important question. So this is the most important question for your boards. That is what? So page number 112, example 14 I'm giving. So the question is find the number of different 8-letter arrangements that can be made from the letters of the word daughter, so that all vowels occur together, all vowels do not occur together. This is the most important question for you. So vowels occur together, vowels not occur together case is very, very important area. So vowels occur together means what? So for example, in the question, find the number of different 8-letter arrangements they're asking. So this is what DAUGHTER, daughter question is given. In this daughter, so they're asking find the number of different 8-letter arrangements that can be made from the letters of the word daughter so that all vowels occur together. So what is the question? All vowels occur together. Next, the second question is all vowels do not occur together. So all vowels occur together, all vowels do not occur together means, first of all you need to check how many vowels are there here. Vowels means B is not a vowel, A is the vowel, U is the vowel, and E is also vowel. A, U, E are the vowels. G, H, T are the not vowels. So all vowels in the question, all vowels occur together here. Means what you are going to check, So all vowels means that A, U, E, let it be treated like one single unit. Let it be treated all vowels occur together. Together write down all vowels and treat like one unit. And write down remaining all vowels. What are they? Remaining all letters. What are they? D, G, H, T, then R. So whenever you are treating as this as one unit, this is the second unit, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Now this daughter letter word changed like this. Now this is the sixth letters word can be arranged in 6 factorial ways. And check, is there any repetitions in this? There is no letter is repeated, that's what no denominator factorial into the letter A, U, E, we are calling as one unit, right? In this one unit containing how many letters, you check it. How many letters are there? 3 letters can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. This is your answer. Very simple. Very, very simple. The logic is whenever they are given all vowels occur together case is most important. All let it be one unit and remaining all write down, then give the order. So then how many number of letters are there and that one unit containing how many letters, and also if it is repeated you are going to write in the denominator, that factorial. Now let us come to next. All vowels do not occur together. Whenever they are asking do not occur together means not case. Not case whenever asking you are going to do. So total cases minus vowels occur together. You are going to do total cases minus you are going to do. Already we solved vowels occur together. You are going to do vowels occur together. Total case means meaning total number of possibilities. How many letters word this is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 letters can be arranged in 8 factorial. Check it, any repetitions are there? No repetition is there, no denominator factorial. This is your answer, total case. So then total 8 factorial minus this thing is 6 factorial into 3 factorial. If you simplify, you will be getting simplification also you are going to do in such a way. 8 into 7 into 6 factorial minus 6 factorial into 3 factorial. 3 into 2. Then let us take 6 factorial common and 56 minus 6. This is what 6 factorial into 50. Then simplification, 6 factorial value write down and multiply by 50. You will be getting the answer. So like this kind of techniques we are going to solve while solving the same problems. So occur together case is most important. In that situation only I am going to discuss one more question. One beautiful question is there, which is exercise question. So they are given as in how many of the distinct Mississippi. What is that? Mississippi. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is there. Mississippi. Okay, this is page number 114, exercise 6.3, question number 10. Okay, so in how many of the distinct permutations of the letters Mississippi do the 4 I's not come together? 4 I's, what they are asking? 4 I's not come together. So not come together they are asking means first you need to do come together case. 4 I's come together. 4 I's come together means you are going to write I. Let it be treated one unit. As I told, 4 I's come together case. Come together. So 4 I's let it be called I, one single unit. The remaining all write down M, S, P. Then this is what? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 letters can be arranged in 8 factorial. Very, very important. Whole by repetitions you need to cross check here. How many S are there? 4. 4 factorial. And P's, how many P's are there? 2 P's by 2 factorial. Into multiplication. What to do? This one unit containing how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 letters. And what you are going to do in the denominator? Come together. Now, vowels not come together case you are going to do. Vowels not come together case andre, vowels not come together case means what you are going to do? Vowels, sorry, not vowels, eyes not come together. Not come together case means total minus eyes come together case. So this is what eyes come together. So what to do? So that means what we are going to do. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is the 11 letters word. Can be arranged in 11 factorial, not yet completed, whole by. How many letters are repeated? S repeated 4 times 4 factorial. P repeated 2 times 2 factorial. Of course, I repeated 4 times 4 factorial. This is total case. So now I's not come together, they're asking means this total minus you are going to take 8 factorial by 4 factorial into 2 factorial. Vowels come to their case. This is very easiest approach, friends. Isn't it? So this kind of questions, come together case, all together case are the most important questions. So one more question I'll discuss in this best. Look at carefully. In the same exercise, I'm going to discuss one more question. Question number 9. Page number 114, question number 9 in the same exercise. So, how many words with or without meaning can be made from the letters of the word Monday? M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. Assuming that no letter is repeated. So, you are not supposed to repeat any letter. 4 letters are used at a time. So you are going to use 4 letters at a time. First question, 4 letters are used. 4 letters are used at a time. 4 letters are used at a time means what we are going to write. So total number of, next second question is all letters are used at a time. And the third case is so all letters are used but first letter is a vowel. These are the cases. So then you are going to write. So 4 letters are used at a time. 4 letters you are going to use means total number of letters how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 6 letters, 4 letters can be used in 6 P4 ways. Total 6 letters. 4 letters you are going to use 6 P4 ways. Then second one, all letters are used at a time. Andre 6 letters only. 6 letters can be used in 6P6 ways. That is what 6 factorial. This simplification I hope you know. 6 factorial by 6 minus 4 factorial. 2 factorial. Then coming to third case. So third case is all letters are used but first letter is a vowel. First letter is a vowel means all letters used means 6 boxes you consider 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So first box should be a vowel. Vowel means how many vowels are there? M not a vowel, O is a vowel, N not a vowel, D not a vowel, A is a vowel. So then there are 2 vowels, there are 2 possibility to fix here. Either O or A. And coming to next, so this box can be filled in. Okay, so this box can be filled in. So how many ways? Like I'm using fundamental principle of counting. Of course we can use. So I'm going to fill. Repetitions not allowed already given. So already either O or A fixed here. That is what you have 5 chances. You here 4 chances. Here 3 chances. Here 2 chances. Here only 1 chance. So this multiplication only your answer. Now I'm going to discuss the most important question for your final examination. So that is what, in how many ways, question number 11, that is, so in how many ways the letters of the word permutations, the letters of the word permutations, question number 11, permutations, okay, be arranged. First one, words starts with P, ends with S. You are going to write starts with P, ends with S. For example, how many letters word this is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 letters word. So you need to create 12 boxes. 12. So starts with P, ends with S. Starts with P, ends with S. So P, S cleared. So remaining letters you are going to fill here. How many ways? 10 gaps, 10 letters can be filled in 10 factorial ways. Whole by. Is there any repetitions? You check it. So is there any repetitions? P repeated 2 times by 2 factorial. I not repeated, no other value is repeated. Isn't it? Yes, this is your answer. Let us come to second question. Vowels are all together. What are the vowels here? So in the permutations, vowels, E is the vowel, Q is the vowel, A vowel, I vowel, O vowel. So this is vowel. Let it be treated like one unit. All vowels together means you are going to call as one unit, right? Then the remaining letters are what? U, R, M, T, again T, N. So now this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 letters can be arranged in 6 factorial ways by. Any repetitions are there? T repeated 2 times, that's what 2 factorial into. That one unit containing how many letters? 5 letters, 5 factorial by. Any repetitions are there? No repetitions, 1. This is your calculation. These two questions are easy. Let us move to third question. The third question is given. So there are always 4 letters between P and S. P key, S key, in between 4 letters you want. So that's what 12 letters word this is. 12 boxes you are going to create. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So they are asking the question. There are, third question, the most important. There are always 4 letters between P and S. 4 letters between P and S. So for example, if you fix P here, 1, 2, 3, 4, leave 4 gaps and fix S. There are 4 letters between P and S given, but where P position, where S position is not given. So there is a chance to get P here means S may be here. Then what is the second chance? For example, if you take P here, S will be here. Then if you take P here, S obviously will be here. After 4 letters only S should fix. Then the next case is P here means S is here. You can take P here, then S will be here. Of course, P can take here, then S obviously will be here. And the last and final case, if you take P here, S will be here. If you take P here, then S we can't take. That's what this is the last case, friends. So the total number of ways how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ways. But still the cases are there. So they're not telling that P is in the first place, S is in the last place. That's what maybe in place of P, S, in place of S may P will be exist. That's what if you reverse these two cases, here S will come, here P will come, again SP combination also will be exist, in between 4 letters gap will be there, then that is also another 7 cases. 7 plus 7 is nothing but 14 cases into. So in this P and S we are using, the total number of remaining cases are 10 factorial by, all the remaining letters will be compensating in this boxes, right? That is what 10 factorial ways by. Is there any repetitions other than P and S? Repetitions are there? Yes, T repeated by 2 factorial. This is your answer, which is most important in permutations. Isn't it, friends? So permutations logic is this one only. So these questions, these concepts, if you are understanding, this area is very easy for you. Then combination I'll discuss. Already combination means just selection of things I discussed. So the question pattern also they are going to give like selection of things pattern. For example, look at carefully. For example, if you see one question is there, a committee of 3 persons is to be constituted from a group of 2 men and 3 women. In how many ways can this be done? How many of these committees would consist of 1 man and 2 women? Means the question is given, so a committee, 3 men committee you are going to form. And the committee persons, 3 men committee you are going to form. So how many members are there? You have 2 men and 3 women, you have possibilities. So I will tell you in detail, look at carefully. So now combinations is started. So 3 men committee you are going to fill, then you have 2 men plus 3 women are there. In this we are going to select 3 members, 3 persons out of 5 members. Out of 5 members you are going to select 3 persons. What condition is given? In how many ways can this be done? They're given. So what is the possibility? Out of 5 members, 3 members can be selected in 5C3 ways. Of course, the simplification is very easy. 5 factorial by 3 factorial into 5 minus 3, 2 factorial. This can be written as 5 into 4 into 3 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 into 1, 2. 3 factor cancel, 2 2s are cancel, 5 2s are 10 is the answer. That is question number 1, straight away question. Then what the other condition is given? How many of these committees would consist of 1 man and 2 men? You want 1 man. Out of 2 men, 1 man you want. Out of 3 women, you want 2 women. So from 2 men, 1 man can be selected in 2C1 ways. Clear? From out of 3 women, 2 women can be selected in 3C2 ways. This can be written as 2C1 is nothing but 2. 3C2 can be written as 3C1, that is nothing but 3C2 is equals to 3C3 minus 2, that is nothing but 3C1 and hence 3. 2 into 3 equals 6 ways. This is the selection of things. Out of 2 members, 1. Out of 3 persons, 2. We are selecting. This is the combination. So another important area in this question, they are going to give like this kind of questions also. A bag consists of 5 black and 6 red balls. Determine the number of ways in which 2 black and 3 red balls can be selected. So very simple question. A bag consisting of 5 black balls plus 6 red balls. Then they are asking, what they are asking? Determine the number of ways in which you are going to select 2 black balls, and from this we are going to select 3 red balls. So what is the possibility? Out of 5 black, 2 black can be selected in 5C2 ways. Out of 6 red, 3 red can be selected in 6C3 ways. If you simplify by using the NCERT formula, you will be getting the answer very, very easily. And in this, one more important question is there. This is question number 7, which is most important for your final examination. That question I will discuss now. Question number 7. Question number 7. Question number 7. In how many ways can one select a cricket team of 11 from 17 players in which only 5 players can bowl if each cricket team of 11 must include exactly 4 bowlers? So what it is given? In how many ways can one select a cricket team? You are going to select a cricket team. So there are 17 players are there here. In the question, they are given 17 players. Of course, you know cricket team means you are going to select only 11 members. But the condition is given which only 5 players can bowl. So in this 17 members, 5 players only can bowl. Okay. Then how many remaining people are there? 17 minus 5 means 12 people are there. And 5 players bowl means remaining all are batsmen. There are 12 batsmen are there. But cricket team means you are going to select only 11 members. The condition. So then what other condition is given? So 5 players can bowl if each cricket team of 11 must include exactly 4 bowlers. You want only 4 bowlers. So from 5 bowlers, 4 bowlers can be selected in selector. You need to select 4 bowlers. So here 4 bowlers we are selecting. Cricket team containing 4 members. So already 4 members bowler we selected means how many members you are going to select? 7 batsmen you are going to select. So 7 batsmen you are going to select from out of 12 batsmen. Of course, including wicket keeper also, including either in bowling or batting. So now, this 4 members, this 7 members, total 11 members will be this. So what possibility you are going to write? Out of 5 bowlers, 4 bowlers can be written as selected in 5C4 ways into out of 12 batsmen, 7 batsmen can be selected in 12C7 ways. So multiplication means the thing is we are taking both the cases. If you write addition, the meaning is either this case exists or this case exists. That's the meaning. There are 2 cases possibilities are there. One is addition or multiplication. Multiplication means the meaning is you are going to consider this 4 members as well as this 7 members, total 11 members. If you use addition instead of multiplication, then the thing is either you are selecting this case or else they are selecting this case, you are selecting this case. Any one of the case only possible. The meaning. So that's what must and should here you need to put multiplication sign. This is one of the very important question, isn't it? Next, this kind of sums is very easy and they are going to ask for 1 mark or 2 marks. They are given NC8 is equals to NC2. Find NC2 value. So how to do this kind of question means NCR is equals to NCR is equals to NCS means there are 2 cases. One is either R equal to S or in second case N is equals to R plus S. The condition. NCR equal to NCS is there means either these 2 will be equal or else that N value can be written as sum of these 2 values. Now here NC8 equal to NCS means R and S never be equal. First case is not possible. Any one case only possible among 2. So this is not possible means automatically this is possible. So N can be written as 8 plus 2 from this, that is 10. Now 10C2 they are asking, NC2 is equals to, NC2 means N is 10, 10C2. If you simplify 10 into 9 into, so 10 factorial by 10 minus 10 factorial by 2 factorial into 10 minus to 8 factorial, 10 into 9 into 8 factorial by 2 factorial into 8 factorial, 8 factorial cancel, 2 5s are cancel, 45 is your answer. This kind of sums are very easy and very important also. And one more last and final sum in this session, that is what, this is also very important. For 3 marks they'll ask, that model I'll discuss and I'll conclude the class. So that last question, look at carefully friends. This is find N 2NC3 ratio NC3 is equals to 12 ratio 1. So this can be written as whenever ratio given 2NC3 by NC3 is equals to 12 by 1. So don't cancel NC3. Okay, 2NC3 means the meaning is 2n factorial by 3 factorial into 2n minus 3 factorial into this is the simplification n factorial by 3 factorial into n minus 3 factorial. If you take ulta 3 factorial n minus 3 factorial by n factorial is equals to 12 by 1. So 3 factorial get cancelled. Now 2n factorial, 2n minus 3 factorial, which is bigger, very clearly you can identify numerator is bigger. Bigger write down till smaller. So what we are going to write 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 into 2n minus 3 factorial whole by denominator 2n minus 3 factorial into. So from these two, which is bigger, which is smaller? Denominator is bigger, this is smaller. So you need to write down denominator until n minus 3 factorial, that is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 factorial is equals to 12 by 1. N minus 3 factorial cancel here, 2n minus 3 factorial cancel here. Then you are going to write 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2, take 2 common, n minus 1 whole by n minus 1, n minus 2 is equals to 12 by 1. N minus 1 cancel, n also cancel. You are going to get 2 2s of 4 is there, which implies 4 into 2n minus 1 by n minus 2 is equals to 12 by 1. 4 3s are cancelled. Then 2n minus 1 is equals to 3 times of n minus 2. 2n minus 1 is equals to 3n minus 3 2s are 6, which implies 3n minus 2n is equals to n minus 1 plus 6 is equals to 5. So n is equals to 5 is your answer. This kind of models are very, very important and very easy. While cancelling like this, the sum will be easy. If you are not going to cancel by taking 2 common and cancellation, that sum will be very lengthy and difficult. So this is the approach to solve this kind of questions, friends. So this is the session for permutations and combinations. I hope you people understanding. I hope you people going to follow this one nicely. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the session. In the small interruption was there, power cut, so even though you people supported me, thank you so much. Okay, I will come with next class with new topic online. So anything else, anything want to discuss, anything want to share with me, what next topic I should? Kavita, thank you so much. What next topic you want, you can tell me, you can suggest me, I will discuss next topic. Sets is the easiest chapter, just half an hour topic. Sets, it's a half an hour topic, we'll see. Anything else? Tarun, thank you. Tarun, Nikita. Oh, Nikita ma'am, okay. Harsha, thank you. Jyoti, Bhagya, thank you so much. Yes, Harsha, game over. Papa, you're waiting for to over the game. Chitra, thank you so much. Charanya, thank you so much. Thanks for listening, everyone. Honesty, madam, thank you so much. Thank you, thanks a lot. Shiva Gowda, how are you, sir? I'm good, too good, sir. Okay. Yeah, 0 factorial is always 1. There is no proof for that. 0 factorial is you are going to consider 1 only. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Kavya, Kokila, Monica. Thank you. Okay, sir. I'll wind up this session. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Happy Sunday. Bye, sir.